Good morning, Year 4. Yesterday we looked at finding fractions of amounts. So I'm just going to quickly go over that skill once again, and then we're going to develop that to do some problem solving with fractions. So 3/4 of 24. If you remember from the last lesson, the simple trick we can do is divide by the bottom and times by the top. So let's divide by 4. And once we've divided by 4, let's multiply that by 3. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. But let's draw that just to make sure. So I need to split my shape into quarters because the denominator is 4. And my whole is 24. "24 divided by 4. Well, let's count up in fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. I counted up in 4 6 times. Therefore, in each quarter, there is 6. And if I wanted to find out how many is in 3/4, 1, 2, 3. You can see that 3/4 of 24 is 18. So the simple trick, if you don't want to draw it, is divide by the bottom and then times by the top. So once you've mastered that skill, and that will be challenge 1 today, challenge 2 and challenge 3 is a little bit more complicated. Today, you're going to have problems where you don't have the whole and you need to find what the whole is. So for this problem, we've got 1/3 of something equals 9. Now, that can be quite confusing to picture and to solve. But as I always say, drawing it will definitely help. So let's draw what this would look like. So 1/3 of something equals 9. So I know that I need a bar model that is split into thirds. And 1/3 of that is 9. Now remember, fractions are equal parts. So if 1/3 is 9, there is 9 in each third. So if there's 9 in each third, that means that the whole must be 9 times 3, which is 27. Just going to read that back to myself just to make sure it makes sense. 1/3 of 27 equals 9, and the bar model matches that calculation. Let's try another one. This problem is now a little bit harder. 2/5 of something equals 30. So notice our numerator is bigger than 1 now. So like everything, let's draw it. I need to split it into fifths. And 2 of those fifths are 30. So 2/5 are 30. So that means that if 2/5 are 30, what's 1/5? 1/5 must be 15 because that's half of 30. So if each fifth is now 15, the whole must be 5 lots of 15. 15, 30, 45, 60. The whole is 75. So I'm going to write it in my box. 2/5 of 75 equals 30. Well, let's see. My whole is 75. 2/5, I can see, is 30. So when you're solving problems today, I strongly recommend using this website or using a pen and paper and drawing your bar model because it will definitely help, especially for challenge 3. Good luck.